Half of Americans struggle cooking easy-to-make dishes like pancakes and pasta. Wait, whoever said pancakes were easy? Anywho, that's the latest in a report at StudyFinds. A survey of 2,000 adults found that 56% often botch foods that most consider easy to make. I think ribs are easy to make, but here's a batch my brother cremated a few years back. Although 71% confidently consider themselves natural-born cooks like me, 83% of those who mess up easy dishes confess it makes them feel like a failed chef. But the hardest easy meal to make, according to the poll, I guess, are pancakes, with 38% saying they struggle with perfection there. I'm still not sure pancakes qualify as easy, but rounding out the top 5 are eggs at 36%, pasta at 35%, mashed potatoes and sweet potatoes, with 30% saying they screw those up. And 28% of those asked think dinner is the most challenging meal to make. Nearly 59% feel embarrassed about not cooking certain foods the right way either, like my brother's ribs. More than 28% believe burning a dish is the highest food crime. Some other cooking sins, 17% say undercooking a dish, 16% say using the wrong ingredients, and 14% say overcooking is just unforgivable. Interestingly, only 7% of the respondents felt over-seasoning a dish was a bad idea. Check out the top 10 easy foods people have messed up and why, along with other studies, at StudyFinds.com.